My name is Jason Johnson and welcome to our newest location here in West Sacramento. Every time that we begin a new car wash, before we open the doors to the public, we find a family like the Richards family, and we get a chance to invest in the community, but really to invest in a single person or a family that's having a tough time.
So we want to thank Quack Car Wash. They've sponsored our family for this grand opening, this fundraiser event, and it's really meant a lot to us.
Our main goal with Ty and the family is to create memories and bond, a lot of bonding time, and make things special, as well as get awareness out there to the community and the world about childhood cancer and brain tumors and signs, and being an advocate for your child.
We are so pleased to see you here, part of this community. The commitment to excellence, the commitment to the environment.
The amount of support and people that came through for them was almost unparalleled to anything that I've seen. With matching yesterday, it was $4,700.
So we're super excited to be here in West Sacramento, excited for a new location, and we welcome you to be part of this new location with us.